In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an app in which you can download and you make money by just receiving text messages. Hello everyone, welcome again to the channel. My name is Emanuela, and on this channel I share legit information on different ways to make money online. And in this video I'm going to be sharing with you an Android app which you can download to any of your mobile devices, and you begin to receive text messages from cash SMS and you make money. I'm going to show you how to download this app because you cannot download it directly from the Google Play Store. You need to download the app directly from the website, which I'm going to be showing you all that in this video. And I'm equally going to be showing you how much you are going to make per SMS that you receive on your mobile phone. After you download this app to your mobile device, all you need to do is just to allow it on the internet. No further action required, and you'll be receiving SMS messages, and each SMS message has a particular amount of money that you will make. The amazing thing about this site is that it has a minimum threshold of just €2 because the site pays in euros, and you can cash out using PayPal, using Bitcoin, or using Litecoin. So I'm just going to pull up my Android device right here and walk you through the process of doing so. And before I go ahead to show you, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please make sure you do so by hitting on that red subscribe button below this video, and also hit the notification bell so that anytime a new video drops on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Go over to your Google browser and type in moneysms. As you can see, then you click on moneysms app here, moneysms app right here. As you can see, then you click on download APK and you click download anyhow. So you have to download it directly from their website. Then you click on download file. Then this is the file right here that is downloading, which is going to take some few seconds. Then you click on it and you take settings in order to allow Google. You click on allow. Then you click on install right here. It's going to take some time. Then you click on done. Then you can go back now to your device and you click on the app and open. They say you get paid €02 for each received automatic SMS sent from our system. Then you run the app in the background and wait for our SMS to deliver. You run the app and then make sure that you have good internet connection and always remain online, so that each time that they want to send the message, you receive it. Then you follow the sign up process right here by entering your country, your phone number, your password, and any other sign up details that will be required of you. Then it will lead you to this section. As you can see, I just signed up for an account, so I still have 0 SMS received in the last 30 days. As you can see, when you just sign up for an account. So the next day, as you can see right here, you are going to see I have a registration bonus of 25 Eurocents for just signing up. This is the total right here. For just signing up for an account, I have a sign up bonus right here. As you can see, when you click on balance, it will take you to this section. And then with money SMS on this section, I still have 0 messages. Then the next day I had 1 message. Then the following day I had 15 messages, making a total of 16 messages that I have received. So out of these 16 messages, let's go ahead and see how much. On the 27 was 1 message, on the 28 was 15, making 16 messages. So let's see how much I was being paid on the balance section. As you can see right here, I have 57 Eurocents. which is incoming SMS, which is 32 euro cents. That's 16 times 02 euro cent, and a registration bonus of 25 euro cent, making 57 euro cents from. This is how much I've actually make on this app for 3 days that I actually sign up for an account. Then clicking on the settings, you click here, this is your phone and email. Then the referral program right here is where you can copy this referral link and you refer your friends and loved ones to actually sign up for an account with this app, and they actually make money. Then concerning the payment methods, when you click on payment methods here, you see different payment methods. As you can see on this drop down arrow, you have PayPal, you have Bitcoin, you have Litecoin. So these are the 3 cash out methods that you can actually cash out your money with this app. And with a minimum of 2 euro, you can go ahead and you request for a withdrawal and you withdraw your money. So there is no action required of you. All you need to do is just to download the app directly from the website, which I'm going to leave my referral link in this video's description, so that you can use it to sign up for an account. And you just allow your phone, if you are connected to a Wi-Fi internet connection, you can allow your phone on the Wi-Fi and the app will run on the background. For each message that you receive, you make 02 euro cent. The amazing thing about this app is that you don't need any further action, you don't need any work to do on this app. All you need to do is just to download the app to your Android device. I'm going to make a payment proof video on how I cash out from this system, from this app. And remember that with just 2 euros, you'll be able to request for a withdrawal, which you can do it through PayPal, through Litecoin, or through Bitcoin. I hope this video inspire you, and if it does, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also go ahead and subscribe to this channel by hitting on that red subscribe button below this video, and also the notification bell, so that anytime a new video drops on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Also share this video with your friends and loved ones, and do not forget to use my referral link in this video's description to have a sign up bonus for signing up with cash SMS. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.